We love you. We love you.
Tonight, I promise.
We love you, Mr. B!
Alright, so we are gonna have a fun-filled night of music. And sana may mga R&B fans pa dito. May mga R&B fans pa here? Yeah! Okay, so this guy right here and this guy right here. Kasama niyo yung asawa niyo? Is that kasama? What? Huh? Asawa? This one? This one, asawa. This one, is this your asawa, sir? Yeah, asawa. Mga nasa asawa, okay. Does he understand Tagalog? You understand Tagalog? Not at all? Okay, this song is for you because it's going to be in English. Alright? Okay, so what this song is about, like I just said, there's people here with a lot of relationships, husband, wife, boyfriend, girlfriend, friends, cousins, brother, sister. And in all types of relationships, normal lang po mag-away. Diba? Normal lang yan. And lagi natin tatandaan. We should always remember that no matter what type of fight that is, bawal matulog. Galit sa isa't isa. In other words, sir, no And that's where it all started. You guys remember when I sang that song?
Yes! Birthday!
Alright.
January 4th!
So for those of you who don't know, I somehow was given this nickname this year, and now they don't know me as Chris Lawrence in the Philippines. They know me as Mr. Biggie.
Yes!
Katrina is Misty, which kami nang yung nakakaalam. You know what's funny? When I was on the way to America, nasa airport ako, tapos may mga tumatakbo na yung mga nagkatrabaho sa airport. Tumatakbo, Mr. B! Hindi na ako si Chris. Mr. B na ako.
Mr. B.
So yun. Okay, so we're gonna slow it down, if that's okay with you guys. Slow it down. Look at the age group of this audience. Fire, Lionel Richie, but
Nabigay mo, tita. Water.
I
Wag mo ito. Hindi, iabot mo, iabot mo.
and I think that the best R&B and best love song came from the 90s. Yes.
It's anti-mom. Oh, water, water girl. Yes. Delilah.
Okay. So we're going to slow it down. Thank you. And if you guys know the lyrics to this next song, I would love it if we all sing along.
Oh, wow. Sana nga po. Oh, my heart. Sana mag-table-table.
Thank you, salamat. All right. JD, can you open up the voice just a little bit? I don't need too much compression. Okay.
Break time. Break time. Break time. Commercial.
We love you. We love you. Alala, sige, sige. Sige na. Talaga naman sa mister.
JB.
We love you. May, we love you. Mag-we love you tayo? Yeah. Let's go. We love you. 1, 2, 3. We love you, Mr. B! Oh, tahimik.
Check. All right.
Sino?
Itong susunod na kanta, ano kaya yan? What was my next song?
Yung roll. New battery.
Brain fog.
Brain fog.
The brain fog.
Retro brain.
Animal Mercury Record. Medyo lutang ako. I have a lot of brain fog because I just came from Canada the other day.
Yes.
And Fresno last night, and so I'm here again. So, but you know what? I'm here, and we're gonna have a great time tonight. And at this point, I am looking for a woman wearing red.
Tita Gemma! Tita Gemma! Tita! Tita Gemma! Tita Gemma! Yee! Go, Tita!
It's okay. Hindi nyo kailangan tumayo. Bumalik tuloy. So, I'll come to you. Okay?
Nasa pagkakalad na daw.
This is where I get to sing. Wearing red tonight. And if
Anniversary girl.
you guys want to sing with me, it's going to make it that much funner. So, para sa mga nagsusuot ng red, doon na. Hello, tita. This one is for you.
Anniversary daw nung naka-red.
Bakit si
Asawa mo ito? Kuya, okay lang. Sige, hands lang. Malayo naman ako.
Go, Tita Gemma!
of us here are Filipino. And one thing that the world knows about us Filipinos is mahilig tayo mag-videoke. It's not a Filipino party if there is no karaoke. Tama? So what we're going to do right now is we're going to have one big karaoke session. I'll pick one song that I think everybody knows. Except for So I picked a song that I think everybody knows, and when I put the mic in your face, you pag tinukot ko yung microphone sa umama mo, kakanta kayo.
Yes.
Alright? So let's have some fun. We're here to make new memories. I love you guys very much. And just know, lalaki, nandito ako para sa inyo.
We love you.
Alright, thank you guys so much. Maraming salamat. Okay. Alright. I would like to call in a very, very special guest, ladies and gentlemen. She is one of the producers of this show. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Coco Productions, Miss Corey Miran.
Lady in red.
Lady in red.
Di mo ko sinaya. Nagpula pa naman ako.
Okay lang yung lagi naman tayo magkasama.
But, meron yatang magustong magbigay ng message. Ready na ba si Mr. B?
What are we doing? Are we doing? Oh, is it? Mr. Ruba?
Alam niyo ba guys, bago kami mag-iwalay ni Mr. B, ang weird ha, yan yung kantang i-release niya. Kasi bago niya yan i-record, pinapractice niya yan sa harap ko. pagod na pagod ka kasi sunod-sunod yung show mo. So, gusto ko man tumulong sa'yo. Eh, wala ako dyan para tulungan ka. Kasi nakita ko big-big mo din yung mga Thank you so much. Sana makatulong tong video na to para ma-inspire ka sa show. Thank you sa mga KKK family natin na nandiyan para sumuporta kay Dada.
What a surprise! Thank you, Miss B. Thank you, Miss B. And thank you to, sino ba nag-ayos niya?
Huwag ka maingay.
Sila ba?
Secret.
Sila Eli. Thank you guys.
So, umiiyak ka.
Ba't umiyak? Surprise ba?
So, tapos na po ang show. Thank you so much. Tinapos na po yun eh.
Okay, well, thank you for the surprise. If anybody is nag-live ba siya or whatever. Hi, Miss B!
Yay!
Thank you!
Hi daw, Miss B!
And, okay, so, okay, so,
Songs for you guys.
thank you. I'm gonna give you guys a little recording for a little bit. And I will be right back.
Okay lang po ba yun? Baka po ayaw nyo kanina lang. Dito bakit po ako ha? Kasi medyo, yan. Of course, first, before I sing this next song, I want to thank our producer for tonight. Tito Miriam Cousin, thank you so much for the trust. This is her first time producing. Actually, she is not a producer. She is a nurse. But sobrang pagmamahal po kay KKK fam. So, give it out for Tito Miriam. Thank you so much. And dapat hindi po ako kakanta, but she requested me to sing, so I am here. And I'm gonna do 2 songs for you guys. So if you know this song, please sing along with me. And this song is for you.
Ang galing!
Thank you so much. I love this crowd so much. We were in Fresno yesterday. They were awesome as well. Pero I think ito ang favorite namin ni Mr. B. So para ka! My last song for tonight is gonna be Tagalog song. And I know for sure a lot of you guys will know this song. So, hit it. Sana may boses pa ako. Are you guys ready for Mr. B?
Alright!
Oh my gosh.
Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Cory Miranda! Napakagaling. Hindi lang producer. Concert artist din. Diba? Okay. Now, nag-enjoy po ba tayo? Yeah! Is it okay if in this segment right here, I sing my songs?
Yes!
Okay, so this first song, this set that I'm gonna do, I wanna, gusto mo marinig yung kanta na yan? Okay, konting kwento lang. Konting kwento lang. So, as some of you know, I've been in the industry for 20 years, and there comes a point when you start to like release music, tapos walang nangyayari. So there was, I think this was like 2018 to 2020. I released like 4 songs, and at that time I was getting like 1,000 views, you know what I mean? 500 views, 3,000 streams. That's not really that good for like an artist that's been around for 20 years. So of course, tao lang po ako, and then discouraged ako minsan. So honestly, in 2020, I gave up. I gave up recording music. I stopped. I said, you know what? I think baka yun na yun. And I just continued doing shows with yung existing songs ko, tapos covers. Kumikita naman ako, but you know, as an artist, there's a certain mark that you really want to make when you create your own original music. So I took a hiatus, I took a little break, I let myself reset, I let myself recalibrate and see where else I fit in this industry. So last year, I finally got back in the studio in LA. I was with a super producer, his name is Little Eddie. He sang the song Statue. I was in the studio, the one who produced this was Nico Blitz. He's a DJ on 92.3 on the radio in LA. And I was writing the song. So I was very, very pressured. Sobrang pressured ako kasi ang tagal ko hindi nagsulat ng kanta. Ang tagal. So we were going through beats, right? This is the process is you go through beats and then you see what you like and you build on it, right? So we picked one and then I was starting to write, pero wala talaga nangyayari, walang lumalabas. And then so I had to take a deep breath and I had to recompose and then I had to draw strength. Kailangan ko humugot from somewhere very, very deep. And that's when I started to think about Katie. I started to think about Katie, and as soon as I thought of my love for her as a father, the way she makes me feel, the way I want to protect her, the way that how much I love her from a father's perspective, my pen hindi tumigil yung ballpen ko. I just wrote all the ideas and then I sewed everything together, and then little Eddie helped me tie everything together. So that's the backstory behind this song. And before I sing this song, meron gusto mag-hi ulit. Dito. So, JB, we can get this one going.
Hi guys! Kamusta muna po kayo dyan? May papawal
Pero wala siya dyan.
Hi guys! Kamusta muna po kayo dyan?
Hi, Katie!
Hi guys! Kamusta
Hi again, Katie!
May papawal singing song that he wrote for me. I hope you like it.
Thank you,
Love
baby.
you.
I love you. This one is called Nobody, everybody. Can we put our hands together like this? When the sun goes down, the day is over. I'll have the brightest of stars blessing me. Light my world, I feel alone. You take me and I can't breathe. Good love, good love, make me let me fall. Let me up, and I got you all. You believe in me when I come down. In my dream, you see in my dream. Nobody but you makes me feel this way. You made a good day. Nobody but you. Cross my heart, I'm here to stay. You stay with me, babe. Nobody but you, babe. But you, babe. Thank you. Baby, sold out na yung bomb.
Yes!
Everything sold out.
Yes!
Maraming salamat.
Everything sold out.
Para may ipon po ako. Hi guys! Kamusta muna po kayo dyan?
Thank you guys. Maraming salamat sa mga bumili
Tenenbaum, maraming salamat po para sa
Hickory sold out!
Hickory sold out.
Everything sold out.
Jersey sold
No
out.
more. No more. Everything sold out.
Pambansang tindero. Hindi lang concert artist, tindero din.
Yes. Pambansang manliligaw!
Oh man, I love you guys.
Ipakaw na yan!
Cake Fam, maraming salamat. Man, I just want to say thank you so much to the KKK Fam. Iba yung KKK yung sinasabi ko ha. Kasi baka iba yung iisipin mo yung mga iba yun. Hindi yun. That's KKK Fam means Chris, Katrina, and Katie. That's and so at this point, I want to say thank you to the people that made this show possible. Pamaan Lumpia. Maraming salamat. Ha?
Pamana.
Eh, nakalagay dito Pamaan. Pamana Lumpia. Maraming salamat. Pamana Lumpia. Miriam Cousin, maraming salamat. Thank you guys so much. Antonio Tacorda. Antonio. Glenda and Ashley Dizon, maraming salamat. Hello. And that is the promoter, syempre, si Cory Miranda, Coco Productions. Syempre, to the KKK fans! Okay, so now, we are gonna sing some Tagalog songs, if that's okay with you guys. I have two Tagalog songs na medyo umingay ng konti sa Pilipinas. And this first one that I'm gonna sing ay para sa mga naghahanap ng pag-ibig. song right before we broke up. Yeah. But it's okay. Everything's good now.
Yes!
Okay, so this next song is a very, very important song to my heart. I feel like ito yung nagbigay ng pangalan Chris Lawrence sa Pilipinas. This song was written by Tito Benny Satorio, one of the greats of the Philippines. And para sa mga in love, para sa mga, actually feeling ko bagay ko sa mga OFW kasi alam ko ang daming OFW na naranasan itong kanta na to. So, if you guys know the lyrics to this, please do sing along. And I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you for being here. Thank you so much. Kahit nakikinig lang kayo sa music ko, you guys don't know, but you're already supporting me. So from the bottom of my heart, Mr. B just wants to say thank you so much.
We love you!
So if you guys know the lyrics to this, please do sing along. Para sa mga in love. Mabuhay! Alright everybody, I know everybody has a cell phone. Pwede po ba mag-request? Pwede ba na nag-ilawin ng mga cellphone dito sa Sacramento? Para lang sa video. Alright, what I like to do, I like to get a shot of everybody with their lights out. Alright everybody, parang ganda lang, yeah. Pwede ba ng ilaw? May mga butas dyan, over there. Gabi ang puso.
We love you!
Mabuhay ang weekend. Alright? Are you guys ready to sing? Are you guys ready to dance tonight? Are you guys ready to make some memories? Then this one is for you. Let's go. If you guys know this, please clap your hands like this. Everybody in the house, say 1, 2, 3, and then you hear me say ho! Say ho! I say shout out! Say I wanna be a billionaire, so freaking bad. Maraming salamat. Alright. Para sa mga in-love, this one's for you. Alright, everybody. Just know that I love you. It's just the way you are. Everybody clap your hands like that.
Woo! Woo!
Come on, y'all.
Thank you.